Hey everyone, welcome back to LGQUEEN Home Decor. If you're new here, welcome, and to all my supporters, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I had the opportunity to help a homeowner give a makeover for one of her rooms. I will be taking this basic master bedroom setup and will be transforming it to a more modern, cozy, and luxurious bedroom. I will begin by removing all of the existing furniture, painting the walls with a newer and brighter coat of paint, then I'll be bringing in the new decor and furniture to design the space. Be sure to stay throughout all scenes so you can get inspiration to tackle your unique space step by step. If you're tuned in watching today, chances are you have a passion like me for interior design or you enjoy being creative with DIYs. For so many years now, you all have watched me decorate so many spaces and create unique projects, but I'm sure many of you out there are even more creative than me or would love to expand on your passions. How would you like to sell your very own DIYs or turn a passion you have into a side hustle to earn extra income? How many of you out there have thought about doing this once before? Maybe you just don't know how to start or haven't found that exact inspiration or haven't learned everything you need to know about it. I know I've had trouble on how to start in the past and had difficulty learning from other sources that wouldn't really teach or guide me in the right direction. I want to share with you all what I'm using now to help me with beginning a new side hustle and want to inspire you how you can do the same. Skillshare has been so kind to sponsor today's video, and if you didn't know, Skillshare is the ultimate platform with thousands of classes from industry professionals who are experts in their unique passions. From video editing, crafting, interior design basics, personal development, or how to write your very own music, this is just a short list of what type of classes Skillshare offers. Not only can Skillshare inspire you to uncover a hidden passion, but they also have lessons that teach you how to exactly seed your very own side hustle. The possibilities are limitless and could be as simple as learning how to use a Cricut machine to brand unique t-shirts or how to set up an e-commerce store selling a unique decor piece you customize yourself. From the crafting and DIYs I have made, I'm currently taking classes such as this one called Building an Etsy Shop That Sells by Parker Guard. This class is guiding me on how to be successful with an Etsy store. It is also helping me understand how to refine my products and how to gain more visibility getting discovered on Etsy. Through these lessons, I'm learning how to use keywords and search engine optimization tactics so that my products are featured to stand out to shoppers. I have found these courses extremely valuable and pivotal in helping me to make this side hustle a reality in 2024 and recommend you taking it also, especially if you're a beginner. Any doubt or uncertainty no longer has to keep holding you back in making your dream come true. Through my platform, I have been able to secure 500 spots for the first 500 people who use my link below in the description box. Those who secure their spot and join with my link will have the opportunity to explore Skillshare in its entirety for an entire month absolutely free. I know this will be the start of something great for so many of you. Thank you to Skillshare. Now let's continue to work on this transformation. I want to thank all my viewers who tuned in today. I hope you were all inspired to see how with just a few updates in interior design that it can completely transform a space. The homeowner was so happy to have her new bedroom of a dream come true. Please let me know what your thoughts were on the before and after and what space you're inspired to tackle on next. Don't forget to use my unique link in the description box on how to turn your passion into a paycheck by learning with Skillshare. Make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on my very next video. I'll talk to y'all very soon in my next one. Take care.